Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the Vantrue N5, the world's first 4-channel dashcam that's creating massive waves in the automotive security market. Before you make a choice on your next dashcam purchase, you absolutely need to watch this comprehensive review where we've done all the research for you. We'll break down everything you need to know, and I've included a link to the best price available in the description below. So you clicked on this video to learn about the Vantrue N5's price point, real-world performance, and whether it's the right fit for your specific driving needs. We'll cover all of that and more in this detailed analysis. Let's dive right in and get started. The Vantrue N5's groundbreaking feature is its revolutionary 360-degree coverage using 4 separate cameras, something no other dashcam on the market currently offers. This isn't just another dashcam, it's a complete automotive surveillance system. With a 158 degrees front camera, 160 degrees front cabin camera, 160 degrees rear cabin camera, and 165 degrees rear camera, you're getting an unprecedented 2.7K plus 1080p plus 1080p recording capability that eliminates every single blind spot around your vehicle. What makes this particularly impressive is the dual-core processor that manages all 4 channels simultaneously without any lag or quality degradation. The technical specifications are remarkable. Each camera utilizes Starvis 2 sensor technology with enhanced NIR performance and noise reduction, allowing crystal clear footage even in challenging lighting conditions. This makes it perfect for rideshare drivers, commercial fleet operators, and families who need comprehensive vehicle monitoring. The industry-first rear cabin camera deserves special mention. This unique feature captures your trunk area, back seat, and side windows, exceptional for parents monitoring kids or pets, and invaluable for tracking luggage security. Combined with the front cabin camera's infrared night vision capabilities, you're getting 24/7 interior monitoring that most dashcams simply can't provide. Furthermore, the N5 incorporates 5G Wi-Fi connectivity with transfer speeds 4 times faster than standard dashcams. The integrated dual-system GPS module provides accurate positioning data, live speed tracking in both km/h and mph, and generates downloadable mileage analysis reports through the free Vantrue app. The OTA upgrade feature means your dashcam stays current with the latest firmware improvements without any hassle. The 24/7 buffered parking mode is another standout feature. When connected to the optional hardwire kit, the N5 automatically switches to parking mode when your vehicle is off, recording any suspicious movement or collision-triggered events. The buffered motion detection ensures you capture the complete incident, not just the aftermath. Additionally, the low frame rate mode conserves storage space during extended parking periods. Voice control functionality supports multiple languages including English, Russian, Chinese, French, and Japanese. Simple voice commands let you save videos, take photos, control audio recording, and manage Wi-Fi settings without taking your hands off the wheel. A significant safety enhancement for daily driving. The magnetic mount system deserves praise for its thoughtful design. You can easily detach the camera without dealing with tangled cables, and the front camera's ball joint bracket plus rotatable rear camera lens allow perfect angle adjustments for any vehicle type. Whether you're driving a compact car, SUV, truck, or even a Wrangler, the N5 adapts seamlessly. However, one notable downside is that the N5 doesn't support PD fast charging, which some users may find inconvenient. You must use the included car charger, which could be limiting if you prefer using your existing charging setup. Additionally, while the camera supports up to 512 GB SD cards, these aren't included and represent an extra expense. The 18-month warranty provides peace of mind, and Vantrue's commitment to constant firmware updates ensures your investment stays relevant. There are no monthly subscription fees or hidden costs, making it an excellent value proposition for comprehensive vehicle security. You got it. So that's it for the best 4-channel dashcam on the market for this year. If you found this review helpful, please like the video, comment below if you're planning to buy it, or share your impressions, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews.